Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequeira and these are the headlines. Government says preparing for surge of 4 to 5 lakh COVID cases per day. October to December month would be crucial. Asks everyone to take precautions. Traditional Goan bread hiked to 5 rupees. Bakers Association says won't take a single penny worth of assistance from the government despite inflation. Most Goans are crying for better tarred roads, but the Kurti road has got a butter smooth finish thanks to a VIP visit. Goa to get heavy rainfall on 11th and 12th. Maximum minimum temperatures to hover around 33 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively. And now for the news in detail. The fear of COVID-19 third wave has once again increased as the festive seasons are lining up. Government said they are preparing for a surge of 4 to 5 lakh COVID cases per day. October to December month would be a crucial one.
Amid the threat of the third wave of coronavirus, the government had asked people to avoid crowded places during the upcoming festival and wedding season as India's fight against the pandemic is still on. Please watch your October, November, December, Health Ministry's Joint Secretary said, warning people about the threat of COVID-19 resurgence during the coming festivals, such as Dussehra, Diwali, Durga Puja, Milan-un-Eid, Christmas, New Year and wedding season. India reported 19,740 new COVID-19 cases and 23,070 recoveries in the last 24 hours. With this, the country's active caseload now stands at 2,36,643, which is the lowest in 206 days. The country also reported 248 deaths, taking the total death toll to 4.50 lakhs. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Pav. The traditional Goan bread has been hiked to 5 rupees. The wholesale rate will be 4 rupees. The decision has been taken due to soaring inflation, the All Goa Bakers Association said. But despite this, they won't take a single penny worth of assistance from the government, they resolved.
The All Goa Association of Bakers on Saturday convened a meeting and fixed prices for the pav. A single pav would cost 5 rupees, while in wholesale, pavs weighing 50 grams would cost 4 rupees. Areas in Bardes, Ponda, Old Goa have already started selling pav at 5 rupees. Salsette is the only area awaiting a decision, Peter Menezes said.
असोसिएशन ऑफ बेकर्स हे पाववाल्यांचे संघटनेन शेनवारा मडगांव बसका घेऊन पावांचे दर निश्चित केले. सुटे पाव घेतल्यांक तो 5 रुपयांनी एक पडटलो, जाल्यार होलसेल घेतल्यांक 4 रुपयांनी 50 ग्रॅमाचे पाव मेळटलो. बार्देश, फोंडे, पोरणे गोंय सारकिल्या वाठारांनी 5 रुपयांनी पाव विकपाक केन्नाच सुरवात जाल्या. फकत साश्टीचोच निर्णय हुमकळत पडिल्लो. ऐकात पीटर मेनेझिसाक.
आयची मिटींग आमी घेतल्या ऑल गोवा एसोसिएशन ऑफ बेकर्स आनी थाराव घेवपाक हो पाव हा पळय तो 5 रुपयांनी जावचो. तो जायते कडेन मातसो पळय सकयल जाला आनी पदेरांकूच मातशें डिस्टर्ब जाला, ताका लागून फायनल करपाक आयज ही मिटींग घेतलेली. 50 रुपयांचो पाव 5 रुपयांनी जावचो म्हणून. 50 ग्राम 5 रुपया. पाव थोडे कडेन जाला तो 5 रुपयांनी जाला, म्हणून बरो 75% जाला तो. फकत उरला पळय तो मडगांव. तांकां 2 प्रायस आहा न्ही, ते 4 रुपयांनी प्रायस होलसेल आहा आनी 5 रुपयांनी आहा रिटेल. हातून 4 रुपयांनी पावांचे आहा ते थोडे कितें करतात, थोडे 2 रुपया वयशीं पयशे दितात, थोडे 3 रुपया दितात, थोडे 3 रुपया 20 पयशे दितात. डिफरंट रेटी आहा त्यो तांकां बांदून हाडूंक नाशिल्ल्यो. ताका लागून ते उरलेलो इश्यू तो कंप्लीट जावंक नाहलो. तो आयज सेटल केलो की 4 रुपयांनी पाव करपाचो, सगळ्यांनी 4 रुपयांनी पाव दिवचो होलसेल. हॉटेलांक भायर कोण गाळेकार आहा पळय ताका, ऑमलेट पाव विकता ताका, वो कोण इंस्टिट्युशनांक दिता ताका, हॉस्पिटलांक दिता ताका 4 रुपयांनी पाव दिवचो. आनी उरलेले कडेन जो पळय सगळे कडेन भायर कावंटराचेर आनी रिटेल विकता पळय तांणी तो 5 रुपया दिवचो.
With time, there has been a change in pav making as well as people entering into this business. People from UP, Bihar, Karwar and other states have gotten involved in the business and sell pav at cheaper rates, Menezes said, explaining how it would affect their business.
आमचे पळय आदले गोंयकार आहा पळय ते पोद्यार आसले पळय ते पाव करता पळय तो तुका सारको करता अजून पासून करता ते पाचोप सारकें करता ताजें मिक्सर घालप सगळें करता जे आयज पाव करता पळय तो फाल्यां पासून लोकांचें न्हांग जाता पूण ही पळय भायले सगळे आयले पळय युपीचे तुका बिहारचे कारवारी केरलायट ताणें कितें केलां रेट सकयल करप कारण सारको करप न्ही तो ताका पळय इंग्रिडियंट्स आहा पळय ते सारके घालप ना आनी तो कच्चा काडून तो बांदून तो प्रेस वेट आहा पळय सामप ताजेर वेट जेन्ना तो परवो काडलो म्हणटकीर वेट तुका सुबेज मेळटा तो वेट मेंटेन करप ताणें आनी तो सवाय विकप ताका लागून हो पाव पळय सकाळीं कोत्ता पळय तो सांजे हांग जायना तुजें.
Many businessmen demand government help. However, the bakers have flatly refused any help, he said. Listen to what they had to say.
तुम्ही म्हणता पळय तो सगळे हे प्रायसीस वाडल्या म्हणून सो तुमकां कितें कांय सपोर्ट मेळटा का म्हणटा गव्हर्मेंटाचो
कांय ना
तुमकां एक्सपेक्ट करता तुमी सपोर्ट
कांय ना
तुमी सपोर्ट जाय तुमकां काय म्हणटा गव्हर्मेंटाचो
ना आमी मागिना कित्याक आमकां पयलो ताणें दिता मेलो आनी आमकां फटयले ताका लागून आमी आतां आनी मागिना आनी आमी कांय डिमांडूय करिना कित्याक आमी जाणा आमी भोगले 25 मिटींगो केल्यो आमी ते सगळे आमचे मेजाक आहा पळय तितले आहा 25 मिटींगो केल्यो जोग जोग एक आहा पळय ते मिनिस्टरान आनी हाज्या मेरेन गेले पूण कोणेच अजून पासून सपोर्ट करूंक ना पोदेरांक बाबा हें तुमकां दितलें म्हणून 2004 8 crores हें केल्लें सँक्शन केल्लें बेकर्सान आयज पासून एक पयसो पासून ना खंयच्या डिपार्टमेंटान भितर सरीत जाल्यार व्हडली एश्युरन्स दिली आमकां हें करचें तें करचें हें दिवचें तें दिवचें पूण तितलें जगता मेजार बसता पळय तो आपणाचें सगळें तें तितलें कोत्तात आनी वेतात आनी मागीर फुडें कांय ना तेजें पयलीं एक्शन कांयच ना ताका लागून आमचें कितें आहा एसोसिएशन पयलेंच हें घेतलां तारवां घेतला आमी कितेंच डिमांड करना गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आनी आमकां नाकाय बी कित्याक फटयतले म्हण आमी जाणो हें आतां फुडें वचत जाल्यार तेंच करतले.
Sandeep Toekar for Goa 365 from Margao.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The blind ask for one eye, God gives two. Such a thing has happened with the Kurti locals. Goans are crying for better tarred roads, but they have got only potholes. However, in Kurti, the road has got a butter smooth finish before any locals could complain, thanks to a VIP from Delhi.
Here is a glimpse at the condition of other roads in Kurti. Now here is the present condition of Kurti roads. This is not a miracle. This is a reality. However, this was not done for the love of Goa. Union Minister Amit Shah would be paying a visit to Kurti's Animal Husbandry and Goa Dairy on the 14th of October. The road was earlier ridden with potholes. The highways in Goa are filled with potholes, but roads in villages like Kurti are smooth and shiny. Looking at this, all Goans wish for the VIP to visit their areas. Krishna Naik for Goa 365 from Ponda.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for the weather. Isolated areas in the state are very likely to receive heavy rainfall on 11th and 12th. Most places will get light to moderate rainfall till the 11th. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 33 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius respectively.
There will be generally cloudy skies during the period. Wind speeds over the eastern Arabian Sea are expected to reach 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour. Fishermen are advised to not venture out to sea during the period. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV. or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa 365.